Happening so suddenly, there it was, an incident that caught me off guard. Was started out with the note sent to me, though out of reach. Back in distant generations, came from you to me. So hard to conceive this type of meaning. Now you can find in my era convenient and new items. Here's the way we left unknown to you. Pouring in characters while interchanging these feelings, unaware of the sum of romance grew. In no way can we ever meet up in real life. You and I evolve away in domains apart. So enough roles and lines, stacks of views of feelings, profile not even known. Indefinite for now, don't mind conditions, expecting no louder words. Waiting more than I can stand, but it is true as I'm deeper that we go far beyond all limitations on our way. Me and you, are sending out our feelings. If my wishes got me true, about one glance is all I need. Oh, I don't need you now, I love you, that's why. Unforcing thought I was reminded of what's in your time. In history recorded to be bold, occurs tomorrow, cause about years to fall. To let you know it now, somehow a minute of a miracle. So time went on, as I flowed, passing through all seasons. All your letters no longer reaching me. Those words that can't come to me, but only hurt inside. Pressure onto my chest and soothe.